welcome back to another episode of Looking Good Feeling Fab with me, Abhilasha. July is the season of sales, and needless to say, this is a sale haul video. Yay! I love doing sale haul videos and I love sales season. So this time around I have divided the video into two parts. One is about my offline sale haul, which the malls and the stores that I went to, and the other one is going to be about my online sale haul. That video, the online sale haul, will be up soon, and I will put that link up somewhere here or in the description box below. So make sure you check the online sale haul video as well. That was actually a lot more fun. But moving straight into it, I went for the Forever 21 sale, woke up early in the morning, got ready, missed my workout and all of that, and me and a friend of mine, Sheena, we went very excited for the Forever 21 sale, the first Forever 21 sale in Pune. And that was such a letdown. They created so much hype, and when you went over there, it was just a small corner of the Forever 21 massive store that it is. Just a small corner was on discount, and there was a lot of very nice stuff at Forever 21, but none of it was on sale. So I don't know why they do this to us. It's like, whatever. I got a few things from the Forever 21 store. I got these shoes, which I love. So these shoes were for 1200 rupees, and I was looking for the classic brogues for a very long time. They're so in, and I think they go with everything, and I was dying to try them on, but I was just very undecided and unsure about whether I wanted to go the classic tan and black way, or I wanted to go the metallic gold and silver way, or something very different. And they were extremely expensive. With the brogues are, I think most of them are 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. I thought that was expensive. So when I spotted these, I had to buy them because of the white color. I think this texture shows very well, and the texture itself is very interesting. Then I got this hat for myself. So this is for my next vacation. So this was for around, I don't remember, 300 odd or something. So I got this, and I got a few hairbands from Forever 21, which were 100 each, which I've forgotten to carry with me. So before I go on, let me tell you, if some of you are not interested in hearing me blabber on and on about my sale shopping experience, and you'd rather just see my sale haul book, where I have styled and tried on some of these pieces, and I've created a video for that, please skip the rest of the video and go right to that video. The link is somewhere here, maybe here, and I'll have it put in the description box as well. Next I went to Zara. Just found one pair of heels, a very basic pair of pumps, and I go to Zara looking for these pumps because they're extremely comfortable, and this is the heel height that I find absolutely perfect for me. I can wear it on a daily basis to work and everything. So whenever I find this heel height in Zara, during their sale especially, I just pick it up no matter what color it is. So the first time around I got one in orange, then last time I got a navy blue, and this time I found a white. So it was a no-brainer. I just bought it. These were also for around 1200 rupees, and the original was 2890, and then they were for 1200. So I think they're nice. The problem with Zara was that people just buy so much stuff from Zara that I had to literally stand in line to pay for 35 or 40 minutes just for this one pair of shoes. People were going crazy. They were literally buying the entire store. I was hugely disappointed with my trip to the mall, and I had some time to spare, which is why I decided to explore some of the other stores that are there in Phoenix Mall, and I happened to go to the Max store. Now Max also did not have huge discounts, but they did have 30% off on most of the things, and anyway they are priced so well and they are so cheap that 30% off meant that they were very nice things. So some of the things that I got, very basic everyday wear kind of stuff. So I got this, I think it's a kurta, but I would totally wear it as a dress. it's cotton, which I like, and it was for $7.99, and on sale I got it for $4.79. Then I got this polka dot skirt with a belt. I have a weakness for polka dots, I think, and anything that has a slightly vintage kind of look. This was for $6.99, so 700, and then it had 30% off on it. So you do the math. Then from Max, I got another skirt, which is this beige one, and it looks really nice, and since it's beige, it goes with everything. Good. Again, if you would like to see these things styled and tried on, please go and see the other video, which is linked somewhere here and in the description box. So this was for $600 and I got it for $4.79. That's this. I think it's linen or something. It's a very nice natural fabric as well. Please go and see the video. You'll see that it looks very cute. Then I got this shrug from Max again, and it's a very basic everyday kind of thing. This was for around 300 or 350, something like that. So this jacket. Then I also went to the FBB, which is Fashion and Big Bazaar, and I got this very basic kurti, but I like these pearl buttons and I like the color of the kurti, and the original price was $450 and I got it for $199, and they had a ton of stuff at FBB which was for $199 and $200, and there were like anarkali kurtas which were really gorgeous and pretty, and those were for like $350, $400. Very nice stuff at FBB. I have never gone to FBB before. This was my first time and I was pleasantly surprised. So this was all I got from the mall and the actual store sales, and I was hugely disappointed. But my online sale haul is very interesting and very fun, so make sure that you, and it's a huge haul, so make sure you go and see the online sale haul video as soon as I put it up, and I hope that's gonna be very soon. So I hope you had a great time watching this video, and let me know which sales you go for and which sales you think are a must visit, so that I can go and check those sales out the next time around. And please subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye.